Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to perform a soft reset on the Beats Solo Pro wireless headphones. Take a look at the indicators on this part. Press and hold this button for 10 seconds. Release the button. It's open. It will blink red and white a few times. That means the reset was successful. Now you can connect them back to your smartphone by tapping on the list. That's how it works. If you found this helpful, remember to like, comment, and subscribe.